Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing the system. Make a restore point and export the registry so you can undo changes if needed. Next, download a trusted transparency tool such as Aero Glass or a shell replacement. Verify the digital signature to avoid malware. Once downloaded, right-click the installer and choose Run as Administrator so the install has required permissions. Make sure Windows updates are paused to prevent automatic restarts while you configure the tool. You now configure the transparency. Open the installed app and grant any permissions it requests. Use the opacity and blur sliders to reach the balance between readability and glass effect. Lower opacity increases transparency, while blur preserves legibility. Apply settings and then restart Explorer from Task Manager so changes take effect. If the app supports profiles, create one for light and one for dark themes. This allows fast switching without finish by saving your chosen profile and enabling the app to start with Windows so transparency persists after reboot. Make sure to test different folder types and full-screen apps to confirm no readability issues. If you see visual artifacts, first restart Explorer or toggle the profile. This often resolves compositing glitches. If problems persist, like crashes or missing icons, uninstall the tool and restore the registry or system restore point you created. That reverts changes safely.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.